Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related about the gaming industry and the stock market, the financial markets, my friends. And this is a new video. So in this video, I will give you some general reflections, and then of course we're going to check out CD Projekt a little bit more in detail, because I know a lot of people that watch my channel are coming especially for the CD Projekt videos. So general market situation, my friends. So of course I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a retail investor, a YouTuber like you. Don't buy any stocks anyone talks about on the internet, so you will lose all your money. Okay, let's put this aside. So guys, there was so much negativity. People were talking about like, we will stay forever in this recession. The stock markets go down, the Nasdaq goes down, the S&P 500 goes down forever. So what happens? Yeah, we will get bear market rally. So that's how it's called. It's called bear market rallies, and this is a classical bear market rally. So in a bear market rally, you have like stocks like Tesla going up 5.5%. You have a stock like Google, which is a massive, huge stock, going up 3.5%. Then of course pulling up the whole market. You have NVIDIA, the whole chip sector, after it completely got crushed, I think 2 days ago, going up. And then we have Apple, and actually a lot of stocks going up today and on the heat map. So what would you say that's not going up? Maybe healthcare was not so cool today. Utilities, basic materials were not the best. So telecom sectors maybe also not the best. So what are the reasons? So now you can say, yeah, that's a classic. Let's jump here to the Nasdaq. So this is the Nasdaq. So what are the reasons? So if you're gonna CNBC, Bloomberg, and you look all those financial market short-term programs, I'm a long-term investor. That's very important. But if you watch all those very short-term financial market media, then you say, and then you read about, yeah, okay. Now, guys, the recession is going to be so hefty that actually the Fed is not raising the rates more. Now now actually we have a huge inflation, and inflation is already going down, so we don't need those rate hikes. So this is a little bit the narrative. And then others say like, no, it's still going down. So this is not just temporary. This is a little bear market rally. And guys, look at this. So I honestly can't tell you, because I would say we were more or less all the time we were around about in the Nasdaq, the 12,000 to the 10,000, 11,000. So yes, that's where we have to find some bottom. That's where we have to find some support. So if we find this kind of support, if we find this kind of bottom, my friends, then of course I could imagine actually that we will see better days ahead. So overall, of course, I'm a long-term investor, and I'm sure we will see better days ahead. So this is 12,000. So it's pretty nice. So actually the recent, now in the recent from mid-June, the recent 2 weeks or 3 weeks, let's call it 3 weeks, were not too bad. So but now we have to break through, and probably tomorrow is going to be a negative day. So if you missed yesterday to buy some more stocks, then you're going to have more time for tomorrow. Probably when everything drops, and tomorrow you tell yourself, nah, now I'm waiting again until it drops to 11,300 the Nasdaq, and then you don't buy, and then you might miss again your chances. So guys, let's go to CD Projekt, because I'm talking a lot about CD Projekt. CD Projekt it's a little bit special. I mean, it's not so linked to the Nasdaq in general. You cannot say that CD Projekt trades, for example, like an Activision or like a Take-Two or like other Nasdaq US gaming stocks. So CD Projekt was after the disaster with Cyberpunk 2077. CD Projekt was already falling, and since then it was falling even more. So it's very much in a special situation. So, and I always say, guys, it's very risky. So I'm like 50%. I think I'm now in the minus. I must be around about average of 200 zlotys or something. So I'm really massively in the minus. So I'm not happy, of course, about this. But since the 3 weeks we see actually CD Projekt coming back a little bit today, 6.5%, also going up of course with the overall market situation or the bear market rally. But guys, I'm still saying we are between the 120 and 185, and only if we break through the 120 zlotys, then I would say this might be a signal to continue buying. But honestly guys, don't take me on this. So obviously that's just a feeling, and it's really simple chart technique. This is really simple technical analysis, so that's not on the fundamental point of view. On the fundamentals, I would say guys, CD Projekt doesn't look so good. Fundamentally it doesn't look so good, and I said this already several times. So fundamentally CD Projekt should be way lower, maybe in the 60s or even in the 40s. So fundamentally I was waiting actually for CD Projekt to drop more. So therefore I'm not buying now. Even if it's going up now, I'm missing obviously the opportunity to average more down, but I'm personally not buying now. So I would only buy if I see really a strong signal to the upside. But if it's not coming, the signal, if it goes back down, then I'm just waiting. So I have time. So you see, I opened a lot of tabs about the recession in the gaming industry and I found very good articles. So I can only recommend you to go to gameindustry.biz, so a very interesting page. So you can read really good stuff there, guys. And there you're going to read things like that actually the recession might be not that bad for gaming industry. On the other hand, others say the recession might be a problem for gaming industry. But what I see honestly, guys, what I honestly see is that it's a great opportunity, the recession. So now some companies are laying off staff on the one hand, but on the other hand, my friend, so this is a great opportunity for other companies actually to recruit this staff and to recruit the best ones on the market, and recruit them also maybe for salaries that are not completely crazy, because people always say, Activision Blizzard, they are so evil, they don't pay people good. So yeah, of course not everyone gets the same. If you're just a QA tester, if you just let's say you just back office, administrative back office in a gaming company, you're not going to earn the same like the engine programmer, the engine coder, if they have, for example, an engine. You're not going to earn the same like the executive producer. So salaries are different in gaming companies, and I don't understand, honestly guys, I don't understand why a lot of people in the a lot of gamers, the gaming industry understands it, but a lot of gamers do not understand this. So it's sometimes actually really funny. So great opportunities for companies actually, and also great opportunities for investors. So if we offer, it's a bear market really, we can drop here. I'm still saying, yeah, we can drop 3,000 more points in the Nasdaq, guys. So don't take my word on this that it's going all to be good now. No. In the long term, but in the short, medium term, we can still drop. And I'm down with my portfolio. So today was a very good day. So I'm up 2%, I think a little bit more than 2% of my overall portfolio. So with crypto as well, good day. But overall, it's still a very sloppy market. So that's how you say it, guys. So thank you very much for watching. I'm stopping this video here. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, a little bit market overview, a little bit about CD Projekt, of course, then check out my other videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.